In this video, I'll show you where to get promo codes for Reliance Digital. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, I'm going to jump straight to the video. I'm going to open up any web browser and head on over to Google. And now inside the Google search bar, I'm going to type in Reliance Digital promo codes. And then I'm going to hit search. And now in the search results in Google, you can see all these different websites. You got grabon.in, Gadgets 360, etc. So any of these websites will work. Just check the expiry dates on these promo code deals because they sometimes expire. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go down and click onto Gadgets 360. And now if I scroll down in this site, you can see a different coupon or promo codes you can use. So you can click on this one here. So welcome offer, get up to 500 off different categories. Summer ready sale, get up to 60% off summer electronics. So you can see this one here is verified with 219 users. This one's not verified with not 49 users. So sometimes the unverified promo code do work. And you can see all the latest Reliance Digital offers as well if you keep scrolling down. So just click on the offer you want to do to activate it, copy the coupon code, promo code, and then paste that in the checkout section of Reliance Digital to activate that offer. And sometimes no code is needed as well.